On-page SEO. Earlier we learned what on-page SEO is. Now we'll explore the detailed checklist of on-page SEO factors that you need to focus on. Meaning, what do we have to do specifically in on-page SEO so that our website gets fully optimized? So friends, there are 7 major and highly important SEO, on-page SEO activities. Okay guys, I have presented them in front of you here. I will tell you that one by one. And then later in this course, we will show you each activity by practically implementing it on the website so that you can learn on-page SEO well at a practical level and better understand the techniques. Friends, the first point is keyword optimization. So what is the most important thing for an SEO? Keyword. So friends, in SEO, everything revolves around keyword because those keywords on which you want your website to rank. So friends, finding out those keywords, using them properly in the content. Optimizing the keywords and continuously optimizing them is the backbone of SEO. This is the real work. If you do this correctly, you will not face those problems in the future. Okay? Friends, those who do not do proper keyword research or keyword optimization and start SEO, they will rarely be able to rank their website on the page from their targeted position. Got it or not, guys? So therefore, keyword optimization is a very important point and it is a part of on-page SEO. Okay? Now we talk about the second point, meta title and description. Basically, every website has different pages. Okay friends? What title to give to each page, also what name to give, what description is important for that page. Here we can also do keyword targeting. So it is called meta tag, title, description, and this is an important activity of on-page SEO. Understand that without this, on-page SEO cannot even start. We are talking about this, which is important for users as well as for search engines. The third point is URL structure. Okay friends, whatever URL of the pages in your website like www.marketingfundas.com/contact us or services, whatever different URLs are there in every page. So basically the question is whether the URL is SEO friendly or not, so that search engine can easily track and understand which specific product, service or topic the page has been created for and why it exists. Now our next point is header tag like H1, H2 and H3. Okay, from an SEO point of view, header tags are very important. And what exactly is a header tag? Okay, and how will you practically implement header tags? When you do on-page SEO, we will teach you how to effectively use header tags as well, because it ranges from H1 to H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. But the major use is of H1, H2, H3. Okay. Now guys, we will talk about content optimization. See, a search engine is all about content. Now, whether it is Google search engine or any other search engine, the world goes there to search for any information. So, friends, if the content on your website is not in the right form, whether it's poorly structured, duplicated, copy-pasted, lacking uniqueness or simply low in quality, okay, understood? Then neither the search engine is going to value it nor the users are going to value it. So, therefore, content optimization is one of the most important thing. Also one of the key aspects of SEO. When we talk about on-page SEO or even complete SEO, content becomes one of the most important elements. Now we will talk about how to optimize the content for the website, okay? And we will teach you all the things that you need to keep in mind in it. Internal and external linking. Internal linking involves linking one page on your site to another within the same domain. It helps users navigate your site and assists search engine in understanding your site structure, improving crawl efficiency and content indexing. Internal links also distribute SEO value across your site, potentially boosting rankings of other pages. Okay, so that's called internal linking. And what's external linking? Friends, if visitors come to your website and you direct them to an important external source like another website or app, so that's called external linking. Both are part of on-page SEO. So 7th is image optimization. Friends, when we search image optimization on Google, you must have noticed that many options like web search, image search, video search, etc. come at the top. So guys, there is an image option in it, okay? Suppose friends, your work is focused on creating stylish and high quality ladies handbags and your brand is ABC handbags. Now suppose any user searches for ladies handbag or buy ladies handbag on Google, okay? And friends, whenever you go to the images section and open it, or any user opens it, then you will see that many ladies' handbags are coming in the images section. Got it or not, friends? And here in the image section, you can see a variety of images showcasing your ABC ladies handbags. It is due to image optimization. We have optimized the website images so Google crawls and ranks them in search results. This builds brand value, boosts product and service visibility, and more people know more about us. So image optimization is also an important part of on-page SEO. And all these things we will learn practically in our further upcoming videos. Okay guys? So I hope you have understood what on-page SEO is, what are its different activities, checklist, and why it is important. Thank you.